I use scrap wood. Measure and mark HMR 15 millimeters. Then cut the mark. Measure and mark HMR 9 millimeters and cut it. Measure and mark. Use paper tape to put it together as one. Drill the mark using drill bit 6 millimeters. Then drill with depth 5 millimeters. Put bolt M6 and fasten it. Give super glue for lock bolts position. Measure and mark HMR 15 millimeters. Then cut into 2 pieces using miter saw. Use paper tape to put it together as one. Measure and mark. Cut the mark using miter saw. Measure HMR cuts before then drill using drill bit 6 millimeters. Put insert M6. Then, assemble all parts and clamp it. Measure and mark HMR 15 millimeters. Drill using drill bit 6 millimeters and make slot. Cut the mark using table saw and miter saw. I will add bearing. Measure and mark for placing bearing. Drill using first net 20 mm with depth 8 mm. Then drill using drill bit 6 mm. Assemble all parts. Put long bolt M6. Measure and mark, and cut 2 pieces. I use mini star knob M6. Assemble all parts. I put sandpaper grit 100. I put my old chisel. Put chisel on jig. I set up using inclinometer with angle 30 degrees. Then use this jig for sharpening chisel. I apologize, don't show all the process because it took time. The result looks good. Now I use sharpening stone to make my chisel sharper. You can set up the height of this jig. Easy and stable to use this jig. result not bad for sculpting the wood, but I think I can make it sharpen.